Okay. Okay. Hello, everyone. Very good morning a very good evening to everyone who have joined us today for the orientation of IEEE CSBC Girl Geeks 2025, which we proudly call it as Geekathon. So we have 108 participants across different states of India, and all of them coming towards here to solve something big and dreams they have to fulfill. So we have cutting edge technology based workshops and a lot of innovations that are going to happen throughout the hackathon, right? So with that quick introduction and a small note, I will now hand over the stage to Ambika ma'am, who has a decade of experience in Finestra, in AI, and a lot of other domains, right? So over to Ambika ma'am, who is also the chair of Girl Geeks 2025. Over to you, ma'am.
Thanks, Rajshekhar. So, every great innovation begins with a spark of curiosity, and today that spark is yours, right? So, I welcome each one of you, each one of the participants here, and to each and every girl and each and every boy. We are going to empower every girl and come forward, right? Especially the boys who joined the team. I really want to thank you for being part of this initiative. I believe you are the ones who's going to encourage more women and girls to come forward, right? You'll encourage your team members, you'll encourage anybody around you. Okay. And this is not just like any other hackathon. It is where imagination meets impact, right? We also believe in creating impact. It's just not a hackathon or a geekathon that just happens and you just go off, but you definitely get value. We have design thinking, which will help you to solve a problem. And we have workshops, which is the latest trend. For example, your vibe coding or your agentic AI and all of that, right? That is a value that we want to provide. And please use that and create that impact. Yeah. So here is where we have a geek. Everybody who's in this geekathon is a geek, right? Who wants to think, design, lead, and code. Everyone will be thinking, designing, leading, and coding, right? So this is the right way of empowering more and more people to come to this platform and get the value out of it, right? So let Geekathon lead you all to think big, think bold, and be unstoppable. Welcoming each one of you to be part of Geekathon. Thanks, Rachika. Back to you.
Thank you, ma'am. So, with that quick note, I would like to introduce our small core team that is part of a few of us are here and few of us who are not part of here. So, first and foremost, we have our IEEE CSBC chapter chair, that is Sunil sir, and who is also been the back end support for this program. And we have Changappa sir from IEEE Bangalore section, who is also helping us in this program. And along with those two people, we also have Binish sir from Finestra and Sandeep sir from from the academic side, who is also supporting us in this program. So along with these four amazing people, we have Ambika ma'am and myself, who is part of the core team. And we are very proud to announce that we have IEEE Young Professionals and WIE along with us who are partnering us in this amazing journey. With that quick note, we'll now try to understand the unique features of this program, which a lot of people are also curious to understand about the mentorship program and workshop details, right? So let's quickly jump into that. So now I would request Kartikeya, who is gonna talk about the mentorship team. Kartikeya, over to you.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. I am Kartikeya, a volunteer with Girl Geeks 2025 and a SAC member of IEEE Computer Society Bangalore chapter. I would like to begin with a quote. When experience meets enthusiasm, learning happens effortlessly. And that's exactly what Geekathon stands for. We are privileged to have young professionals and experts from diverse domains with us, bringing together a perfect blend of fresh ideas and real world insights. We'll be soon sharing the mentor mentee connects, giving participants the opportunity to engage with professionals who can guide and support them throughout this journey. If you have any questions or need any assistance related to the mentorship process, please feel free to reach out Rubini from mentorship team. She will be happy to help. Let's make the most of this experience and keep the spirit of learning alive. Thank you. Over to you, Rajshekar.
Thank you, Karthikeya, for the amazing introduction of the mentorship team. So that's the team that is working behind connecting young professionals and a lot of professionals from other domains with the teams and participants over here, right? So with that quick understanding of mentorship team, next let's try to understand the workshop team. So now I'll hand over the session to Parkavi ma'am, who is gonna take us through the workshop details. Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Dr. Parkavi working as Associate Professor in MS Ramaya Institute of Technology. I'm senior member of IEEE from 2021 and maybe like 2-3 years around I'm part of the Computer Society XCOM Bangalore section also. So we have Aditya and his team from PES and even Kartikeya and his team and Rajsekhar also worked with us for workshop. And Ambika ma'am, she worked really lot to find out the speakers and all. She has been the core member, backbone of our workshop organization, and it's been great opportunity to organize this workshop. And we will be having the workshop till this month end. So hope all the team members, all the participants will enjoy the sessions. Maybe from 24th we have the 22nd and 23rd from PS students team. They will be presenting, and from 24th onwards we have academicians and industry people coming on board to share their experiences and give the talk on various professional domains, so which will be useful for the participants. So I welcome all the participants for this workshop. This will be a wonderful journey for you to learn and excel in that. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Can we have Aditya also to mention few things about the workshop team and workshop things?
Hello everyone, I'm Aditya. So we'll be handling any error bugs or errors that you face during the MS Team hosting. So if any errors as such you face, feel free to reach out to me. My support email is mentioned there. You can always contact me from there. And I think that's about it from my side.
Just to add to that, the prerequisites in the post session. So we'll be sending out prerequisites. So please have all of that and like you will have to install whatever installations you need to do, whatever environment specifications provided, please have all of it. And then post session, you'll have the slides and the links and all the other reference materials shared.
Thank you, Amika ma'am and Aditya for adding on. So that covers our wonderful workshop team that is working towards making this experience a very joyful and a very fun, full learning experience. So with that covered, so now myself, Rajshekhar, will be taking you through the journey of Girl Geeks that we are going to spend for the next couple of months. So initially, we are now at the level step 1, so where the registration was completed, and now we are at the orientation. Post which we'll have the series of workshops about cutting edge technologies, about design thinking processes, how to implement those, and a lot of things that are planned. Post which each team will be getting 3 weeks of time for design and 1 week of time for prototype, and then we'll have finale. So each of these phases have its own requirements to submit and its own deliverables to be submitted. And there will also be definitely the mentor support that will be provided at each step. So for reference, for the design phase, you will be having 3 connects with your mentor, and for prototype phase, you'll have 2 meetings connect in the prototype phase, and in the finale, you can connect with your mentor as in when you need it, right? So these are the basic requirements and basic things that will be provided to you. And along with that, you will have to make certain recordings and submit it as well. So for a couple of more details in the next slides I'll be explaining. Ambika ma'am, anything to add on?
I think we are good. Yeah. So each week, so whenever you have your mentor assigned, you will have even the rules defined, the guidelines and the rules. Please follow that, right? So that is the Bible. And in case you have any doubts, please reach out to the teams. That will be better. And we are pretty stringent on the rules, which Rashika will soon explain on about each rule.
Okay, so as were talking about the rule, so there are a couple of rules, and rules as in it is not like a very well defined, or like we have defined certain areas which are strictly followed, and there are areas where you can explore and then you can think, and thinking is not something we have restricted by using these rules. So the rule book is available in the website, and we'll also be sharing the website link in the group as well, so that you can go ahead. And the website is live, and it has rule book and everything that you need to refer for the hackathon. So with that, the rule book has every detail about each phase, the deliverables of each phase, and the requirements, and the specifications of submissions that you have to do at each phase. Everything is covered, and it also has a few evaluation criterias that we'll be considering while evaluating at each phase, and contact details if you have any updates, or like if you have any queries to talk about, right? So those rules are mentioned in the rule book, and you can go through it and get back to us if you have any queries with any specific part of the rule book or something. You can get back to us, and you can also post the queries in the group as well, so feel free to use the group for queries. So having that covered, we'll now go ahead and have our proud alumni from last year, who has been an exceptional participant and a great thinker. So now I would like to call upon Miss Jagannadam Janavi to share her experience. Over to you, Janavi.
Hi, hello everyone. Am I audible, Rachika?
You are.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So, hello everyone. I am Jahnavi. I'm currently a fourth year BTech student at Christ University, and this last year participant at Girl Geek Hackathon. And the project we built was Tax Savvy Stance. It's a personalized tax planning assistant, and for that, we have used design thinking, and also thanks to the workshops which we attended last time, because all these workshops really helped us to come to the solutions. And I would say that this hackathon is completely different than the other hackathons I attended. Like I've been part of many competitions hackathon, but this one is truly special to me. Where, as you have seen the entire run through of the program, it had like multiple levels, right? Multiple workshops. So you'll be trained on how to come up with a solution. It's not like a usual hackathon where you have the solution and then you build it. It's like a process where the organizers, the mentors help you to come to the solution. And we also had in-person hackathons, one at PS College and one at Christ University. And the biggest milestone for me and my team was to attend, like to present our project in front of the Finestra team and the CHRO of Finestra and the entire global with entire team of the Finesta connected online. And that was truly a special moment for us. Like we had a chance to connect with the team and we had a great interactions. And also I would like to thank the previous organizers who made this truly special to me. And also for the girl participants, I want to tell that we are enough to handle our things on our own, and it's not like we have to start things only when we are ready. We will never be ready, to be honest. And I feel that we should start doing things, start doing the projects, whatever it is, the thing which you are thinking from past 1 month to start, just start it. If you don't know something, you will learn along the way. So You should never see for a point where you feel that you are ready and then start the things. And that's what I think is that works for me, and that should be working for everyone. And and also, at last, I'm really thankful for all the organizers of last year, and all the best for the new organizers. And special thanks to Ambika ma'am. Yeah, I mean, you really helped us through the last year. At the last minute, we were just calling you what to do. So you really helped us to come up with all those better solutions. Thank you so much for everyone, and all the best. You can reach out to me if you have any questions or guidance, anything. I'm open for that. Thank you.
Thanks, Janavi.
Thank you, Janvi, for the wonderful glimpse of last year. I think the story almost took us through the whole journey of Girl Geeks 2024. Uh, Thank you, Janvi, for that. And hope everyone here also got the glimpse of how your future experience is going to be, right? So it's going to be that fun and that much learning oriented. And we'll also have a lot of fun in the process, right? So with that covered, so yeah, it just started and we're almost towards the end of the orientation. And this is a glimpse of how the program is gonna be. And we are trying to cover all the important details that you need to know before you start building and start thinking. Before you start thinking, first of all, I have to thank all of you for joining here. And I hope this is going to be a really great experience for you. And this is the time for you, as Janvi rightly mentioned, for you are enough and you can start thinking and you can start experimenting whatever ideas you have in mind. And only remember about three things: stay curious, keep learning, and make an impact. So with that, I'm Rajshekar signing off for the orientation of Girl Geeks 2025. Thank you, everyone. Anything else we were supposed to mention now?
If they have any questions, Rajshekar.
Okay. Yes, guys. So if you have any questions for the organizers or for any particular teams or for our alumni, Janvi, we are happy to take it. If not, before participants drop off, if everyone are comfortable, we can turn on cameras and capture this moment.
Absolutely. I just want to add one more thing, Rajshekar. I want to welcome all those participants who participated last year and is participating this year as well. It's a great encouragement for the other participants, right? So when you participate again this year, you get to meet different people and you can share your experiences. So we want to welcome you again this year. Yeah. Shall we all come online? Have our videos on.
Whoever is comfortable can turn on their cameras.
And we'll stop the sharing now.
Okay. Done. Okay, our team guys, come on, Kartikeya, Aditya.
So how do we have?
Okay.
You can capture everyone on your screen, Rajshekar.
I can see one screen.
Okay.
I think I'll need some help.
You can take different
Guys,
screens.
whoever is on laptop, click screenshots and share it to me, and we'll collate everything and then share it at that.
Aditya, are you? Or anyone who's okay? Rakshita, are you? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'm taking screenshots.
Sure. Participants, please come online. Yeah. Thanks, Fatima, for coming on video.
Guys, good way to get noticed. Turn on your cameras and you'll get your name called.
Gungun, Farhan.
Okay.
Hi, Sagar.
Oh, great.
Harkavi went off.
Okay, great. So thank you everyone once again, and I hope there are no questions as such for right now. So you can think and get back to us at any point of time.
And please
So
ask
with that,
questions yeah, just adding to it. Please ask questions when you have workshops because you don't get opportunity to talk to industry experts, academic, academian professors and students, right? So please do ask questions and get it clarified. This is your opportunity. We conduct these sessions for you to get value. So kindly ask questions. Don't hesitate, and make best use of these workshops and the time that you get. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, everyone. Thanks,
with
Barkavi.
that,
Thanks,
I
Aditya.
think I
Thank
just missed one point. Happy Deepavali, guys. I know it's belated wishes, but still.